When you hear people argue that Range Rover products are so unreliable and you want to join to defend Range Rover, that's because they don't maintain it properly. Imagine now, the owner of this car went to the mall to pick one or two. Then after the whole shopping, got back into the car, started the car. Then he noticed that the rotary was stuck in neutral, blinking. So now so they call us, so we think saying just to come and scan the clear code, everything be alright. But no, it's not spoil you. The selector don't spoil, so we ordered another one. First of all, got Tokumbo, and we noticed that the Tokumbo didn't work. We had to go for a new one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and please follow for more videos.